We're using a 20mm rubber and 1 or 2 layers of acoustic grade plasterboard. The 20mm rubber is the same product you get on gym floors, is that anti-vibrational matting, and you glue it to the wall using contact adhesive. Now, I'm not a material supplier, but if you're looking for a contact adhesive, something that you can apply these panels directly to the wall, then there is a link to a heavy duty contact adhesive in the description down below. As installers, when we install this system, we install it using 2 different types of adhesive, one to create a resilient layer and one to bond it to the wall. It'd be a very boring video if I go into detail of how exactly you install that with the 2 different types of adhesive. Let us know in the comments if you really want to know, but we show you how to do that in the online courses. The 20mm rubber is glued to the wall, and then the 2 layers of acoustic grade plasterboard is then glued to that. So there is no mechanical fixings. The system total thickness is about 50mm. 2 inches in space loss. It will offer 40 to 50% human perceived reduction in noise, again at those higher frequencies. So when you install it to the direct noise path of the separating party wall, that's the sort of level of reduction in your noise you can achieve directly through that separating party wall. Installing this system directly to the separating party wall, because you're using that anti-vibrational rubber and you're gluing it to the wall airtight, you're not going to be channeling the noise into those other areas. You can rest assured you're not going to channel noise into that hollow chimney stack void or into that hollow floor void or that hollow ceiling void above. How will it perform? It will certainly take the edge off of that TV noise, that conversation, or any noise you're hearing from the neighbours, but don't expect to not ever hear a particular neighbour noise again. It will take the edge off, it will deal with those higher frequencies, but that's all you can expect from this system. It's a great system to be installed to stairwell walls and flanking walls. When I say flanking walls, I mean those walls perpendicular to that separating party wall, such as a window wall, or maybe a wall separating a front and back bedroom, or you might have an archway wall which creates your lounge and dining room. If you're not sure what I mean here, next time your neighbours are making noise, next time your neighbours are playing music, or they've got a gathering of people next door, simply put your finger in one ear and put your ear on that window wall, both sides of the window wall, area closest to the separating party wall and the area the other side of the window wall, and do the same on that separating wall between the front and back bedroom, or any wall that you have perpendicular to the separating party wall, and you'll see what I mean. A lot of people have noise transfer up those flanking areas, those flanking walls, and if you want to get a really good reduction in noise, a significant reduction in noise, maybe to not ever hearing your neighbours anymore, not only will you require a system to the direct noise path of the party wall, but you will need to do those flanking walls as well, those walls perpendicular. And this system is a fantastic system for treating the flanking areas. Remember to check the links in the description down below. Get yourself a free copy of the book, The Noise Free Home. If you're a DIYer, builder or homeowner and you want to learn how to install these systems yourself, then why not consider the Soundproofing Secrets course, or even the bigger course, the Noise Free DIY Soundproofing course. The Soundproofing Secrets course is on offer at the moment. Let us know how you get on in the comments down below, and I'll see you on the next video.